equally be adding aloe vera to their water. It has been learned, it has been studied that aloe vera helps bed against inflammations. That is a property of anti-inflammations, and which we do have other properties in it, which I cannot tell in particular, but I believe it will serve as a useful nourishment to them, being the fact it's a leaf, a plant, so can classify as a vegetable as well. So we'll be adding this, the juice, not the back part, and I will show you the process or how it's been done. So the drinkers has been properly washed in total. It's very clean now. As I said, to avoid some bacteria. Now we want to administer the aloe vera juice to keep them strong and healthy. Now you just wash how it's been done. Aloe vera in between. Then you squeeze. You scrape the juicy part. To the water. Then do to the other side. This one has fallen. To the other side. That's the juice. And I think one is enough to avoid overdose. Awesome. So I'm about mixing the water. It's clean potable water. These ones will be removed. We are dropping these ones. Remove this back. Remove this back from it. Prevent it. Now we are about to feed them. Taking out the water. The general thing we've done here is called poultry farm management. By doing this always, I'm sure your bird will grow free of diseases and they will grow healthy. So thanks for watching.